Welcome back. So let's just briefly recap the topics that we have covered in the first section of this tutorial. We started off introducing the basics of HTML. Remember, HTML or Hypertext Markup Language allows us to define to the web browser the structure of a web page by the use of various tags. It can be thought of as the skeleton of a web page, on which we can then layer styling with CSS or cascading style sheets and interaction using JavaScript that we will cover shortly. Some of the tags that we have introduced are the P tag that allows us to define a paragraph of text, the A tag that allows us to link between HTML pages, the image tag that allows us to show images on our page, and the div tag that allows us to separate our page into sections. This is beneficial for page layout. Within a div tag, as in between the start and the end tag, we can add all of the child tags for that section. Any tag nested within our tag becomes the child of that tag. At a very basic level, a HTML document, which is simply a document with a HTML postfix, should contain a doc type declaration, a set of HTML tags, with a set of head tags between which we add information such as meta and style sheets, and body tags where we add the content for our page. Using CSS, we can add style to our page. We can change the colour of our tags, and we can adjust the size and position to get the appearance that we want. We do this by the use of attributes that we add to the target tag or tags within a style sheet that is declared between the head tags of the HTML document. Some of these styles introduced are colour, background colour, margin, border, and padding. We also delved into the CSS box model that showed us how to use margin, border, and padding effectively to display our content. Finally, we touched on the importance of designing for multiple screen sizes, something that can be achieved by the use of CSS techniques such as display flex and media queries. If you stuck with it this far, well done, keep going, and I hope you'll join me for the content that we've got coming up. See you in the next video, bye for now.